Long before the Aztecs ruled central Mexico, a massive city emerged in the Valley of Mexico, Teotihuacán, meaning the place where the gods were born. Archaeologists estimate the city was founded around 100 BCE, but its true origins remain a mystery. Its builders left no written records, yet they constructed one of the largest urban centers of the ancient world. At its peak, between 100 CE and 550 CE, Teotihuacán was home to over 100,000 residents, making it larger than Rome at the same period. Scholars believe it was a political, religious, and economic powerhouse, influencing much of Mesoamerica through trade, culture, and ritual practices. The city's centerpiece is the Pyramid of the Sun, an enormous structure built with millions of tons of stone. Standing over 200 feet high, it dominates the landscape, its massive platforms aligned with solar and celestial events, indicating an advanced understanding of astronomy. Excavations have revealed hidden chambers beneath the pyramid containing ritual objects, obsidian knives, animal bones, and traces of ceremonial fires. Strikingly, no royal tombs have been found, suggesting that Teotihuacán may not have been ruled by kings in the traditional sense. Some scholars argue the city was governed by a council or religious elite, with power closely tied to ritual and cosmology rather than hereditary monarchy. The city's main thoroughfare, the Avenue of the Dead, stretches over 2 miles and connects the Pyramid of the Sun with the Pyramid of the Moon and numerous ceremonial platforms. Beneath the Pyramid of the Moon, archaeologists discovered elaborate burials, including warriors interred with jaguars, eagles, and ritual objects. The scale and intricacy of these sacrifices suggest a society where religion, power, and the supernatural were inseparable. Temples and platforms along the avenue were used for political gatherings, ritual ceremonies, and large public events, demonstrating how architecture, symbolism, and urban planning were intertwined with spiritual and civic life. Teotihuacán was also a thriving multicultural city. Apartment compounds housed families from diverse regions, including Oaxaca, the Gulf Coast, and other parts of Mesoamerica. This arrangement shows a sophisticated form of urban organization, with social and ethnic diversity carefully managed within the city's neighborhoods. The walls of the city were adorned with vibrant murals depicting gods, mythical creatures, and scenes of daily life, reflecting both spiritual beliefs and societal values. One deity appears frequently in these murals, often called the Great Goddess, associated with water, fertility, and the earth. Artifacts uncovered in the city, including jade figurines, ceramics, and obsidian tools, demonstrate wide-reaching trade networks that connected Teotihuacán to distant Mesoamerican regions, revealing its status as a major economic and cultural hub. The city's prosperity relied heavily on agriculture in the surrounding valley. Maize, beans, squash, and chili peppers formed the staple diet, while canals and irrigation systems sustained the large population. However, evidence of deforestation, soil erosion, and environmental stress indicates that intensive farming may have strained the region's resources. Combined with growing social inequality and possibly overpopulation, these environmental pressures could have contributed to internal tensions, unrest, and eventually the city's decline. Around 550 CE, many central structures in Teotihuacán were deliberately burned. Unlike cities destroyed by invaders, this destruction appears to have been an internal event, possibly a revolt by the city's inhabitants against the ruling elite. Evidence suggests neighborhoods were abandoned gradually rather than in a single catastrophic event, indicating a complex social collapse rather than simple destruction. Within decades, Teotihuacán, one of the greatest cities of the ancient world, was largely deserted. Its population dispersed across Mesoamerica, influencing later civilizations like the Toltecs, Maya, and Aztecs, who revered the city as sacred and incorporated its architectural and religious traditions into their own cultures. Modern archaeologists continue to uncover Teotihuacán's secrets using advanced technology. Ground-penetrating radar and robotic explorers have revealed hidden tunnels beneath the Temple of the Feathered Serpent, containing thousands of ceremonial artifacts, including shells, jade, pottery, and even pools of liquid mercury, likely representing the underworld in ritual symbolism. These subterranean chambers hint at the city's spiritual complexity, and its builders' sophisticated cosmological beliefs. Other discoveries include miniature masks, figurines, and offerings that appear to have been intentionally buried, emphasizing a culture deeply invested in ritual, symbolism, and interaction with the divine. Despite centuries of study, Teotihuacán remains one of history's greatest enigmas. The identity of its original builders is still debated. The reasons for its collapse remain unclear, and its advanced urban planning continues to impress scholars. Its influence on subsequent Mesoamerican civilizations, including the Aztecs, is undeniable, as they regarded the site as sacred and incorporated its symbolism into their own religious practices. Today, Teotihuacán stands as a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and mystery, a city where every stone, mural, and tunnel continues to hold secrets waiting to be discovered. Its story reminds us of the achievements of ancient civilizations and the enduring mysteries of human history.